Give me the seed, and I will spare this kingdom.
Ember! Ember!
For centuries, our kingdom waited. Not for a warrior, but for a child with a courageous heart. The prophecy has been fulfilled. There isn't enough time. The seed cannot simply be returned. It must be awakened.
How?
You must find the... I finally found you. Give me the seed, and I will spare this kingdom.
Finish this. I'll always believe in you.
I don't want power. I only want everyone to be safe.
This isn't over, Guardian. You have done what no guardian has done for generations. You did not awaken the seed through strength. You awakened it through love. From this day forward, you shall forever be known as the Guardian of Hope. Whenever courage is needed, whenever kindness shines, the secret animal kingdom will always welcome you home.
Promise you'll visit? I promise.